Cut even more, right?
Is that how you're supposed to do it?
Yes.
I feel like you're trying to trim a bush, not your hair. Okay, baby.
I got it. What's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new quarantine video today, another quarantine video. And today, just like what everyone else faces in this world, I need a haircut. So I've watched a couple of YouTube videos on how to cut my own hair, how to do self-cuts. It's better to have someone, so luckily I have Rachel here to help me, maybe with the top, maybe with the back. But I bought a buzzer, I bought some clippers just online recently. I have my tripod, I have my GoPro, I have a full setup in the bathroom. And I'm gonna show you guys giving myself a haircut and having a little help with Rachel. I've never given myself a haircut before. I did give Meaty a haircut just last week. It turned out okay. Let's just say he got a mohawk. He's actually happy with the haircut right now, but I'm gonna give myself a haircut. So I'm gonna show you guys the setup in the bathroom. And I'm actually gonna switch this around. This camera is gonna be behind me, getting the back of my head. And I'm gonna have a GoPro filming at the front with some speed ramps, different things like that. Wish me luck, guys. I've never done this, so let's get haircutting in the bathroom. So if you guys watch a lot of my travel videos, you see me with a hat on. This is what my head looks like. Sorry about that, guys. I'm in my bathroom right now. Right behind me is my GH5 camera, so I have like a headshot right behind me recording at the same time. Let's make sure it's recording. It's recording. So what I've learned from the videos that I've watched, at least on YouTube, is to get a buzzer, which we got our buzzer, I got a couple clippers, and start with the highest number. So I'm gonna start with the highest number on my side. Again, wish me luck, I've never done this. I'm gonna buzz from low to high, and you're supposed to go away from your head. I'm staring at the camera right in front of me, and you're supposed to just buzz around here, end up blending it in later on. So you go from high to low. You start with a 4. Unfortunately, we have 4. You can start with a 6 if you do. You can start with a 4, go down to a 3, go down to a 2, and then blend it in later with a 1 or 0 if you want to go that short. Wish me luck. Starting out with a 4. By the way, Rachel's right here, and I can't believe I'm doing this. She's gonna help me with the top and the back later on. Again, if you have someone to help you out, you're lucky for that. So I felt like I was able to do an okay job around it. I'm gonna go for the back right now and just wing it and try to blend it into the back. You guys will be able to see with the GH5 how I'm doing. Wish me luck. The mirror's too big. How does it look so far? It looks okay, right?
Yeah?
Why are you laughing? Oh my god.
It looks like pineapple.
Oh god, I just stabbed my head. Oh, I just stabbed my head. I felt like I made a bald spot. Totally, I felt like I made a bald spot. The best part is I'm not even looking at what I'm doing. Shaking out over here. Ooh, I'm a little hairy. Alright, now that I have Rachel here, I think I'm gonna use her help because this mirror is not that clean. It's not even that clear. I can't even see the back of my head. But I'm gonna use Rachel's help, and I'm gonna have her try to get the back of my hair and maybe blend in the back of my head. Babe, honors?
Yeah, sure. Can you like, shall I get your seat?
No, you're fine. You're fine, like this. They say husband and wives that can give haircuts together stay together, right?
I guess.
Yeah, there you go. Give her some height.
Okay.
Voila! Alright, supposedly it's blended in. Now this was a 4. We might go down to a 3, but I'm gonna try to start trimming the top of it. And hopefully we can blend it in later on. So we got a couple pair of scissors. One is to make it thinner and one is to cut it.
Babe.
Yeah, my depth of perception is terrible. So one tip that I've seen online is for depth of perception, especially on the top, you can't really tell what you're cutting at, so get some help. Just chop away, just take how much on here needs to cut.
I don't wanna like make it look weird.
Alright, I'm gonna go cutting. I don't know how
I
this is.
don't want you to like go bald. Is that how done? You're gonna end up with like choppy hair.
So my idea is just to cut as much as you can. I don't know anything about haircuts, I'm just like cut everywhere. And you can obviously even it out later. I feel like I have too much hair. I get one guy in a few of my comments, my YouTube videos, the same guy, asking if I'm going bald. I am not going bald. Look at all this hair. I'm having Rachel just cut around. I don't know if this is good. I don't know if this is bad. I'm sweating really hard though. And her face looks very unsure of what she's doing.
What unsure?
We'll see how this turns out. I don't know what I'm doing. So I didn't cut the top too much, but we can make it dinner now.
Is that how you're supposed to do it?
Yes? Comment below if you guys know anything about how to make your hair thinner. I think I'm doing a good job.
Can I try?
Oh, that's like this piece that keeps... Got it. Oh, yeah, you guys see that one? It's like this. This is how they do it.
Let me try to like...
I got it. I know it's fun, isn't it? That's not your own. I feel like I'm done. Oh man, this is really turning into a mohawk. Should we just go like that?
No! What?
Should we just go like that?
Don't do mohawk!
I mean, it's so hot anyways, it's not gonna work. Now I'm just like eyeballing it. Based on what I see, how I think it should be, I'm eyeballing it now. I might just stick with the 4.
Yeah, it looks okay enough.
So moving on to a 3 right now. To get closer to the side of my ears, maybe blend it a little more and get the back of my head, hopefully. We'll see. I think I'm doing a good job hacking it away. I stopped the buzzers and I just started making it really thin. It actually looks really good. Woo! Pro tip, thin your hair makes it look good. Alright, so after buzzing for 27 minutes, my mind is to fix up the sides, fix up the front. This all looks pretty okay to me, and then have Rachel fix up the back, and I should be good to go. It's time to do the sideways now. I don't think this is the right tool. There we go. This is the right way to do it. Alright, let's have Rachel clean up the back. Ready, babe? Last trimming by Rachel. I am a hairy mess. This is gross. So I am surprisingly pretty much done. Any last like hair standing out, I'm using the thinner because I like this scissors. This is like magic. Get one of these if I was you, know?
Yeah.
Because you can cut anywhere and it makes it look good. I've always thought about that in my life and it's true. A thinner works magic. Yep, that's the big chunk that I was talking about. Rachel's actually cutting it right now. And then, final touches. You gotta end every cut with the thinner scissors. Last one, last one. All right, that is it. It took a total of 37 minutes. I did my hair. I don't know why I'm talking to this, I'm gonna switch to the GH5. So it took about 37 minutes and this is what I got. I don't know what the back of my head looks like, but let's take this off real quick. This is our bathroom though. Oh my goodness. We got hair everywhere. I have the vacuum right out there somewhere. This was giving myself the first haircut for the very first time. I got some help with Rachel. She did an incredible job, I think. I'm gonna shower off and show you guys after what this looks like. The magical transformation. So guys, being my first time giving myself a haircut, Rachel too, I think we did a pretty good job. I checked on the back, it's somewhat long still. We didn't go down to a 1 or 2 with a buzzer, so it's somewhat long, but we wanted to stick conservative, and we kept the side, I think, at a 3 at most. So I started with a 4, ended with a 3, and then we just trimmed around the top. Again, the magic is the scissors that's a thinner, so you just cut all around. It surprisingly made it look pretty good. I haven't really checked the back, but it looks pretty good. Overall, I give it probably a 7 out of 10. I don't think we did a bad job. This is a haircut I would be pretty happy about if I paid 6, 10, 20 bucks, maybe even America, 30, 40 bucks at the barber. It's not too bad. I'm pretty happy with it. This should keep me going for the next couple weeks, hoping that some of the businesses open back up in Bangkok, supposedly from what we hear within the next week. So within the next couple days, I want to explore around Bangkok with one of my buddies, hoping to show you guys what Bangkok lockdown is like, tell you guys some of the changes that's been happening within the next couple days. But I hope you guys overall enjoyed this quarantine haircut style video. So make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and comment down below if you guys think we did a pretty good job with my haircut. Unfortunately, again, media had to deal with a mohawk. And make sure you guys smash the subscribe button and also hit that notification bell and be ready for hopefully some more travel videos to come in the future, crossing my fingers, and some more quarantine style vlogs around Bangkok and around home. Overall, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.